Kanina po nabanggit niyo po yung regarding sa bail. Ito po pwede niyo sagutin, pwedeng hindi, kung halimbawa hindi po pwede. Sa tingin niyo po, may pag-asa po ba na makalabas si Pastor Apollo C. Quiboloy at mag-grant po ang bail na nilalatag?
Permission to speak freely, Master Judea. No? Kung wala lang saan ang politika ito, wala talaga itong kaso na ito sa totoo lang. No? Nangyari lang talaga ito. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, this just, prospered simply because of the heated political atmosphere in our country. No? That is my belief. Other lawyers may see it on the other side of the tunnel, but that is my but that is my point. Why? Because I have studied this case. I know, kaya nga, nagtataka ako ngayon, may mga new witnesses na. Sa affidavit complaint, 3 lang ang nag-execute ng affidavit. Yung siya, yung kapatid niya, at saka nanay niya. Ngayon, ang dami na, 14 na yung witnesses, 13 o 14. Hindi man lang sila na list down doon sa information because DOJ rules would require that when you file an information, you should list down the witnesses. Nakasaad yan. Wala yun. Ngayon lang nila pinalabas during pre-trial, mga bagong witnesses, maski nga ano ang nature ng kanilang testimony, hindi namin alam. We had to push for that because during the preliminary conference, they said that they have 5 unidentified witnesses. No? Nung nag-pre-trial na inopose ko yun kasi that is a violation of the rules. Rule 18, Section 4G. No? Because you have to really... if you have to reserve certain evidences, if the evidence is testimonial, you have to name the witness and the nature of his testimony. Now, if you will identify the witness as unidentified, that is not allowed the rule. So they were forced to name the witness. Ay, hindi lang pala 5. Nang kaput.
So, ibig sabihin po pala, attorney, no? Depende pa rin, depende pa rin sa kung anong trip nila ang resulta ng bail.
Yung mga tao na wala naman, hindi nga siguro kilala niya. Pati nga si General Torre, naging witness na. Si General Torre noong 2016. No? 2016 yung alleged incident that happened.
Yeah.
He was nowhere in Davao or ano pa. So, well, yan ang kanilang trip. On my part, I also countered. If that is the case, then we should also have a reservation to present any and all witnesses that will counter whatever the testimonies of these new witnesses, no, who appeared only 8 years after the fact, as well as reserve documentary evidences that will likewise counter whatever documentary evidences and testimonial evidences that they will present before the court. Walang nagawa rin ng korte kasi inallow din kami kasi that's due process. We do not even know. Wala kaming hint kung sino itong mga bagong witnesses na ito, kung anong mga testimonya nila. Maski affidavit, wala. Ngayon lang ito nagsulputan.